On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare some chicken liver and Jamaican fried dumplings. But I just want to pause here to say welcome and thank you to the new people coming on to our pages. Thanks to those who are returning and those who have never left or were there from the beginning, should I say, or might I add, manners and respect. Shout out to my patrons. If you'd like to be a part of my Patreon family, click on the link in the description and join us over on Patreon. Our post notification shout out today, they go right up there. We're going to be making chicken liver and dumplings, fried dumplings. I have here my dough that was prepared ahead of time, and I know somebody ever said, how you didn't show us to prepare the dough. I know you might be a newbie, so I encourage you. I'm going to leave the link. We have several videos that I showed you in depth of how to make your fried dumplings. Different types of fried dumpling. I'm going to link a few. You go check it out, okay? So, fried dumplings, Jamaican fried dumpling. You must have a dough that is so soft, succulent, manageable. You don't want to have no rusty dough, okay? And those videos will show you how. So I am not going to be making the dainty ones. I'm going to be making like the regular little one them where mama used to make. But at the end of it, I say to you, Jamaican fried dumplings are not about being prim and proper. It's about texture and taste, okay? So when you can get close up on this, Dad, when you have your dough like this, how soft, how succulent as I roll it, how manageable, nothing not leaving on your hand, it's not sticking, you are good to go. So our oil is here being preheated. You can go deep fry, you can go shallow fat fry. And that's where we're going to put it like our mama used to put it back in the days when you do it like that. And my oil is reasonable. Don't worry, I turned it down just now. When you do it like that, they fry faster. But for like presentation and you're serving people like hotel and then sit in a restaurant, they go those little round ones because a presentation them I look for. Actually right now I'm looking for nice eating dumplings with my chicken liver. So I'm going to be putting my dumplings in, and in the next clip, because I'm not tired to see me do this, I'll be moving on to my chicken liver by showing you how to season it up, because chicken liver is just one of the easiest things to cook. So my chicken liver has been cleaned, washed, all of that, and I had just a little refined black pepper. Now this is my grounded fresh seasoning, fresh herbs. Yeah, that is how I like to do it. So you know, I always encourage you to do your seasoning of choice. You season as you like. Are you seeing it? You're on it, yeah. You see them? Clean and nice. And can I tell you, you don't have to, I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper. You don't have to be washing your chicken liver. It's just as easy. You don't have to be scrubbing them and washing them 3-4 times. It's just such a little chicken liver. Chicken liver is like very delicate. So you can wash out the little nutrients off of it. And it is one of the most nutritious liver too. So, and if you have the heart, I don't know, this didn't have a lot of heart on it, mostly liver. So I'm putting in these. These are my little fresh herbs, grounded herbs. You see that? Nice. Of course, you know, I won't forget to put my grated garlic. Garlic, I'm using about 4 pegs. Use as much as you like. A little grated ginger for me, or ginger powder, garlic powder for you, but fresh is always better, not too much, you know. But if you don't like the ginger on it, it's okay, it's fine, you know. Or maybe you might just be using a seasoning mix that has in all of these, so that would be fine. It's totally up to you, as I said. Just some little shredded scallions. You want to cut them up, you want to dice, you want to do what you want to do. I'm just dicing them, I'm shredding them. Literally, I'm shredding them right now. So do how you want to put it in there. Do you all you want to do. Remember, I always tell you, it's not about what I do. Most of the times, it's just to show you how you can cook it. So, like to cut up this now. Yeah, you cut it up, you dice it up on your board, you cut it big, it doesn't matter. I'm just shredding it right in for me. I'll add a little salt, like right now. A little salt, because all of what I use there had no salt. This is a little thing that I'm trying for the first, more like soy sauce and other little stuff in the mix. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna be trying it. But you can use your soy sauce and your Worcester sauce. Yeah, but I'm just trying this for now, so I can't say much about it. I'm just gonna be trying it for the very first to give me that little brown color. That's what I'm looking for. It has some caramel in there, and it says it has soy sauce and some other something. So I'm just trying it for right now. It smells good though. But you can use your normal, you know what I'm saying? I think I might need a little more to up my color a little bit, because this thing don't take long to cook, you know. Okay. All done and nice and dandy. And this is what it looks like, because it is chicken liver. Next clip. So our dumplings are finished, and we're going to be using the same pot, which is quite fine. Saves time, less cleaning up, and all like that. This is my seasoned chicken liver. You want to cook in a skillet that is wide, something that has a lot of space, because liver is a thing where it is not fowl nor beef or so we cooking. Get your flame up. We're gonna cook it at that. And remember, when you're cooking liver, you need a little extra oil. But if you feel like you can cook it and you don't need the oil, you can go ahead and do your thing with a flame right there. So we are doing it. Alright, we're gonna go now and prepare some onion rings. I am making some half moon onion rings right now to go on my liver. Remember, chicken liver cook faster than the regular liver, like cow liver and them way there. Pig liver, well, I'm not a fan of pig liver. It's very bitter, in case you never know. I really don't do pig liver. It's really coarse. The texture of it is really coarse, and it's bitterish too, so I'm not really go for it. But I do goat liver, and I also do cow liver. Goat liver has a refined texture. Yeah, I might put a little more on it. So in the next clip, I'll be adding my onions. I will look at something, because actually chicken liver is very easy to cook, and it is one of the most nutritious liver. So you can curry it, you can brown stew it, you can do what I do right now. I am stewing this. Lots of onions. I love mine. Next clip. So we got our chicken liver right there. I had to put it on I eat. Your chicken liver, every liver is cooked on I eat, you know. So at this point, I am putting some lime juice in there. I normally would have put vinegar. I do have vinegar, but I chose to use some lime juice right now. So I get about, I would say I get about pretty near a tablespoon out of this half of a lime. If you have lemon, you could. My onion rings right now, and the I eat right in there. I have to turn the stove down because you see my gravy. And you know, the liver, it makes its own gravy. It has the potential. So you might have to end up with a little bit of water, just a touch, or a gravy a dry out. But let us put in some ketchup, some tomato paste, stewed tomato, whatever you have, whatever you like. Maybe a little paprika if you love. And I might just add that, a little smoked paprika to mine. With that I eat, and the onions up. If you want a few slices of bell pepper, you can too. At this point, I think I'll just put a little water. My heat was too high, about 2 tablespoons, no more, because water and liver enough friend. A little paprika with a smoke or sweet, it just enhance the color, and it does with the flavor too. Or a little chili powder. Yeah, turn the flame down, gravy a dry out, and all of that. That's for me. One last stir, right in there, so. Yeah, one last stir. Turn my flame off. I'm gonna cover for the next 5 minutes when I'll get my onions all nice and crunchy. I don't like my onion them softy. family liver. That's my chicken liver. When you see me next, I'll have a plate for you with some of that dumpling that I did fry earlier. Okay? Okay, we're gonna make a plate for you right now. I'm gonna be putting in my chicken liver. Yeah. Nutritious breakfast liver. Yeah. I love chicken livers too. My son, it's his favorite chicken liver. We did here some callaloo. And we callaloo get a little over steam. But it's okay. Because I know some mayonnaise come with a nice, vibrant, pretty color. But sometimes life happens. And that's how it is. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is chicken liver, steamed callaloo, and Jamaican fried dumplings. One of the most nutritious Jamaican Sunday morning breakfast you can ever have. Top it up with some chocolate tea or a glass of fresh fruit juice. Please do. Enjoy.